Here's the question I got asked. If you block someone, will you be able to see their post that when they're reposted? Will you be able to see that they made a comment, and or will you be able to see that they engage with a reaction through the like button on any content? The answer is no, and I can validate that because here's the testing I did. I captured a post that was owned by a lady named Amelia that Andy reposted. And if I go click on that, you see it's trying to show me Amelia Bernstein post, and something went wrong. It can't do that. Additionally, here's her profile, and I can't get to her profile. Page does not exist because I blocked her. Additionally, here's one of her posts. You can see it's trying to go to that post. Post cannot be displayed. Here is a comment she made on a post. On this post right here, she made a comment, and her comment does not display. I have a screenshot where I showed that comment. Here's her comment right here below Callie Ross, above Jennifer. If I go back to LinkedIn, here's Callie and here's Jennifer, and there's no comment. And by the way, this shows there's 5 comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, when it load more, it thinks there's more, but there are no more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are no more because I blocked the Amelia lady. And lastly, as far as a reaction where she liked some content, here's a piece of content that she liked. I actually have that screenshot as well. So you can see there's 23, 24, 25 reactions, and her name is at the bottom of this list right here. However, if I go back to LinkedIn, I can see on these reactions, it shows that there are 25, but if I count these, give me 1 second. It only shows 24, but it says there are 25, and the Amelia LinkedIn member is not in this list. So the bottom line, if you block someone, you will not only not see their profile, you will not see their comments, you will not see their reactions, and that includes a reaction on a LinkedIn company page, which is 100% public. You will not be able to see their comments, their posts, or their posts when they are reposted. And by the way, there's lots of other parts of blocking that are relevant, and you need to look at the blocking support document on LinkedIn. I'll copy that and put it in the description on this video. I'm Teddy, a LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.